Improving contrast by using color filtering. Before learning how to get the most out contrast enhancement, I would like to remember that color filtering is a powerful tool to improve your black and white. Color filters reallocate the tonal ranges, creating a different balance between black and whites. With this image of a jet raptor, I tried no filter and red. And believe me, you can try any kind of contrast enhancement on this version, and you will never be able to get so a dramatic and shape result like the one given by default by the red filter. Again, this tree is in the Mincio Valley, Italy, during a fire. No filter, blue filter. Again, there's no way to get the shape given to the foliage by the blue version. One more sample. This church after the earthquake in Italy. Original, standard one is very good, but blue looks better. Probably it's a bit darker, but Vitamin allows you to change the gamma, and this is 1/15 of gamma. So let's compare, let's navigate inside. This is normal, this is blue, 1/15. Again, it's really impossible to get so a shape, this kind of passage between light and shadow at this one given by the blue. What did we learn? Before enhancing the contrast, check the color filter version. Often you will start from a better file. Remember that Vitamin offers triple tone that helps you to compare different versions quickly. Triple tone is available in flattened or layered mode. Start with blue. Blue is terrible. The orange instead has improved the image, darkening the background, as cyan is complementary to orange. Okay, thanks for watching, and please jump to the next tutorial. Bye-bye.